Nginibingelele ngiphinde nginamukele la kuNqambo Media TV 18. Wengane zakwethu la nginiphathele iy'ndaba ey'thinta inyanga uDr Kahlelezi. uKahlelezi usephumela obala lapha ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana waveza mayelana nokuthinta isigubhu sika-30,000 abuye naso phesheya. Ngale ukhuluma kakhulu nangu uKahlelezi la ey'khulumela khona echazela abantu ukuthi lesi sigubhu asinabo ubungozi. Ngicela umuthi uyafudela ikhasi, ngicela ucofoze usubscribe, uphinde ulike le video, uphinde ucomment.
So today I'm here to explain this. I've seen people coming to me for the same scoop. Since ngibuyile, more than 50 people came to me bezofuna le scoop, and I don't just give you that. I sit down with you, I lecture you, talk to you. Maybe it's better for me to use the word lecture. I lecture you, fundise about it. Ukuthi, once I give you this, the first principle, the first rule that you need to do, you don't come close to it if you are on your periods. If umuntu wesifazane, if umuntu wesilisa, you need to make sure that if you are a male, you make sure that you don't touch it. If you are wearing a black underwear, maybe you didn't get me. If you are wearing a black underwear, you don't wear it. If it means you keep it in a private room where your wife won't come in, or where your wife won't even make a mistake, because the biggest mistake that you guys do is you take these things and you fail to follow the rules, and you will turn and say it is not working. You listen attentively and you follow the rules. As I'm coming here, I'm just trying to come and summarize. I'm coming here to summarize so that everyone can get the sense of it. And guys, I don't want you to come maybe next year, February or December, you like, ngizocela lesigubu uKhethelezi sika 30,000 and the one okuthiwa it's using Fanta. No guys, it's just limited. It's just something that I was given by the king. And he said to me, just go and give it to your VVIPs. Show them that we do have powerful things in our country, and we do have things that they can boost your business, things that they can boost whatever that you need. Those that they don't need blood. It doesn't need blood at all. Remember, it doesn't need blood at all. But, guys, wherever you go, you can go to Nigeria, you can go to Burkina Faso, you can go to Ghana. Whatever herbs that you are using there, they need you to remember your ancestors. You need to make something. Uma uzothatha lesigubu, you need to follow the rules and you need to remember your ancestors. How do you remember them? Just buy a few stuffs. Sweets, you buy drinks, you buy chicken, the live chicken. You go there, you nail down, you communicate, you talk. NgesiZulu sithi yini? Uphahla. Uphathe msamo, ukhulume nabo. Because most of you guys, you need to get this. You do have strong things. And this thing, why am I saying so? It's because it made me realize, after the trend of Tataland or Aina Bongos, it made me realize with the people, they do have things in their houses and they are hiding them. And they do believe in the African spirituality. They do believe, but the problem is just because you were colonized by the whites, they had to put this mentality, Yoguti, it is God first before your ancestors. It is a vice versa. Never. You must be like me. Mina ngiphumela obala ngathi mina, I do believe in God. But the first priority, the first thing that comes into my mind on whatever that I believe in it, those are my ancestors. And I cannot shy away from that. I believe in my ancestors. So guys, into engizoyisho la ngizokhuluma ngaso lesigubhu ukuthi I had to ask that old man, why are you saying every week I need to make sure that I do have a Fanta orange? Why is it so? He then gave me an answer whereby I was satisfied by the answer. Utegi me, there is a time whereby isihlahla sama orange, the tree sama orange ayaphuma lama orange aqhakaza. Ama orange aqale green, then it changes color to be orange. So whenever you are using this lesisgubhu, what we do is, if you come to me, ngiqale ngifune lama orange, then ngithatha isobho lama orange ngilihlanganise nalensizi yomuthi ngihlanganise, then ngigabe. I talk to it, ngiyitshele lento ukuthi ngale season yama orange, it must be your season whereby you do your things. And by the time kuqala le season yama orange, remember your ancestors. It is time for you to do something. It's either it's a sacrifice or what, but remember your ancestors. And lesisgubhu mosikhulumisa, uhlafuna amagxolo ewe orange, wahlafune angathi afuna ukubaba kancane, hlafuna you chew, then you spit, ukhafulela sona, uyasithethisa, usho ukuthi njengamanje ndoda ibhizinisi lami lihambi kahle, ndoda ngiyasebenza, ngifuna ipromotion emsebenzini, ngicela izinto zivuleke, usiphimisele. Angisazi ukuthi ngiyenze njani, xakiwe, ngixakekile, ngixake izinto. And then someone asked me a question, what if I use a Coca-Cola to do so? Actually, that is another question that that particular person was supposed to ask me, because it's a grade 1 question. It's like you asking me a question like, because my car is a diesel car, what if I put petrol? Obvious, you'll break the engine. So obvious, if I'm saying that is the first rule, if I say to you, please ngicela usebenzise Fanta orange, and you decide to use Coke, you've broke the rules. What are you expecting? What are you going to expect? Ngeke izisebenze leyo nto, and it will turn by upside down. But so far there are 3 people, celebrities, they've just given me a positive answer, and I like that. They took it because they believe in me, and it's not the first time they're taking things from me. And what they like about me is I don't go around talking about my clients. Whatever you take from me, I don't go around telling people about that you came to me, you took this. No. Mina nje ngikunika into yakho, ngithi nanso hamba zenzele. Into engilimaze kakhulu ke, ngilinyazwa abantu abaphuza utshwala. Umuntu ophuza utshwala ufika umnika into ahambe be right, but ekugcineni bayaflop abantu botshwala. Bayaflop abantu botshwala. Hayi kancane kakhulu. In such a way they don't follow the rules. Mabe ngayilandeli ama rules abo, uthola ukuthi inkinga sekuyami. Lesigubhu number 1, awusikhulumisi ufake ianda emnyama, awusikhulumisi sisi ugqoke ipaint elimnyama, awusikhulumisi ugqoke ipitikoat, anything that has a black asibonani naleyo nto. Lesi sigubhu number 2 sifuna usikhulumise, usikhafulele ngeFanta orange, usikhafulele ngamakhase orange wahlafuna. Lesi sigubhu into engiyithanda ngaso, ngisho ekhaya kungathi akuzwana, khuluma naso sitshele ukuthi ekhaya akuzwana, ngiyafisa ukuthi sizwane sabantwana bandawonye. Decide ukuthi lesigubhu angisasifuni, and also angisafuni nokuya kukhehlelezi. Thatha lesigubhu lesi, uyofuna itshe elikhulu, big one, elikhulu, ulithathe ngisho ngalibambisana nomngane wakho, ufike ehlathini ulibeke usibeke usihliphize kanje sihlale phezulu kwaletsho itshe wazi ukuthi ngeke lize lisuke zolishiya la ucindezela kanjalo isona scoop ke lesi showcase bengikhande, to be honest with you, bengikhande only 300 lezi group igroup ezihambile 67 bese kuthiwa ukhehleleza u12 hey bese kuthiwa ukhehleleza u12 multiplier ke wena ofunde kakhulu uthanda imaths igroup eseyithathiwe zu67 by 30,000 ungitshela ukuthi uthola malini 67 so far eseyithathiwe. I'm here in Durban, kusasa ngikhona ngiyoze ngihambe eGoli Thursday, Friday, Saturday I'm in Joburg. Friday ngiyasebenza eGoli, I'm in Joburg. Bayibhukhile abantu bakhokhile ama deposit wabo futhi ngizobaphathela eGoli bazothatha izinto zabo. Bese wena ugijima ke because iyahlupha lento yomuntu ohlala endlini the whole day. Usuke inkinga kakhulu uma usagijima uhamba ukhomenta kuma status wabantu, ukhomenta ku Facebook, ku TikTok, uhleli uhamba ushayela abantu izandla. Wow, congratulations. When are they saying congratulations to you? Even those okuhlala kuthiwa congratulations kubona. Ungabe ujabulele congratulations. Ake ujabulele ukugxekwa kwesinye isikhathi. I-country nje kibe busy ngegama lakho, kibe busy nje i-country. Like ukhehlelezi. Ukhehlelezi nje uhlale busy nje ku-country. Ngidlale ngibhizi nje. Uyabo lesigubhu lesi uzozo. I know mina uthi mawuqeda kusithatha something funny ozoyiphupha ebusuku and it will make you laugh and kulabantu abawu67 abasithathile ngeke abantu abawu35 33 baphupha into eyodwa efanayo. Same thing, they are dreaming of the same thing and they were laughing and they were like, why mkhulu lesigubhu ngiphuphe 1 2 3 and 4. I'm like, yeah, iyona nto oyifunayo ngithi, but what I like is shem kubantu esebesithathile isigubhu about these celebrities about 3 they came with a positive answer ukuthi no, because thina vele besingayisithathela ama gigs wethu besisithathela into zethu ukuthi zihambe, things are happening.